Good day everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgottias University. Today we will discuss about displacement value. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of displacement value. The quantity of drug which displaces one part of the base is known as displacement value. Displacement value is used to calculate before the preparation of suppositories. It is the quantity of drug which displaces one part of the base during the formulation of suppositories. Now, example how to determine the displacement value. For example, determination of displacement value of a medicament in theobromine suppositories containing 40% medicament prepared in 1 gram mold. The weight of 10 suppositories are 14.66 gram. Now, we will discuss how to solve this question. Solution will be: first step, weight of 10 suppositories containing theobromine alone prepared in 1 gram capacity mold is equal to 1 into 10, that is equal to 10 gram. Weight of 10 suppositories containing 40% of medicament is equal to 14.66 gram. It means the amount of theobromine present in suppository is equal to 60 divided by 100 into 14.66, that is equal to 8.79 gram. In the next step, we will determine the amount of medicament present in suppository. The amount of medicament present will be equal to 40 divided by 100 into 14.66, that is equal to 5.86 gram. The amount of theobromine displaced by 5.86 gram of medicament will be equal to 10 minus 8.79, and that is equal to 1.2 gram. So the displacement value of medicament is equal to 5.86, that is the amount of medicament present, divided by amount of theobromine displaced by 5.86 gram of medicament, and the amount is 1.20. Finally, the displacement value is equal to 5.86 divided by 1.20, and it is about to 5. So in this case, in this example, displacement value will be about 5. And there is no unit of displacement value. It is a unitless number. It can be summarized from the complete study that displacement value is an important parameter for the preparation of suppositories. It is calculated in terms of medicament. After the complete study, many questions can be arise, including what is determination value, what is displacement value, how displacement value of suppositories can be calculated, explain with solution. These are the common questions which can be arise after the study. These are the some references which can be referred for further advanced study about the displacement value. Thank you. Thank you very much for your kind attention. You can refer given email ID as well as contact number for any query. Thank you very much.